One of the biggest transformations in our dining room refresh was adding these beautiful custom curtains from TWOPAGES. For this room, I chose fully lined curtains with a triple French pleat, and I absolutely love the timeless, elegant look they bring to our historic 1840s home. The fabric quality is beautiful, and because they're fully customizable, you can choose the exact width and length that works best for your space. They were also very easy to hang. I simply added the curtain rings to the rod first and then attached the curtains, and everything came together beautifully. One of my favorite details is that TWOPAGES also sells fabric by the yard, so you can create custom projects to coordinate with your curtains or have the custom pieces made for you. For our coffee bar, I used their fabric to create these sweet little English cottage inspired curtains, and they turned out exactly as I imagined. You can also choose from several lining options depending on the look and light control you're wanting in your room. One decorating tip I always love is to hang the curtains high and wide. It really draws the eye up and helps showcase the height of any room. I also added extra length so they softly puddle onto the floor, creating those beautiful folds that add so much warmth, welcoming, and a very cozy feel to the room. Now that everything is styled, from the tablescape to the cozy details throughout the room, the curtains truly tie everything together and make the space feel warm, welcoming, and very cozy. I will have everything linked below, and you can use my code AFInfluencer to save 22% on your order.